Alright, I'm gonna hike this part of the trail back to the campground after picking up some stuff at the store. Hopefully it's not too muddy through here. And hopefully I beat the rain. But I have a raincoat. You know, it's cold. It's been raining a lot, but you make the best of it. That's what you do. And that's probably a good idea for the whole RVing thing. You know, you get all excited before you go. Weather's going to be what it's going to be. Sometimes it's going to rain. Sometimes it's going to be cold. And if you let that ruin a trip, it can do it with a quickness. So it's part of being flexible. Find ways to enjoy it even if it's kind of nasty out. I said before, I've been at campgrounds where I'm the only one with rain gear out doing stuff and everybody's in their RV. It dries. Alright. Alright, it's acting like it wants to rain. Heard a few drops. I got the raincoat with me. But might make dinner be a little creative. Maybe I'll have to think of something different to do instead of cooking outside. Right? Adapt and overcome. That's the best thing you can do. There's the raincoat around the back of the pack. Plus the laptop. You know, to upload those videos that I do. Can't see them. But they ran up that hill over there. On the other side of the woods. 5 of them. Somewhere up in there. I guarantee you they're the same ones from the other day. It's about the same spot where this trail is joining the other one. Good for me to see him. Sorry you didn't get to see him. More up there. See at least 3. I'll try to zoom it in with the software. 3 of them. They watching. Oh, and over there. Lots of them. I'm sure all those over there, you never know. I might cross paths with them if they go left. If they stay in the woods.
Alright, I just gotta say, I really do apologize for all the bouncing when trying to film stuff like this. When you're just using a cell phone and you're zoomed in, it's real easy to get bouncy, and I don't have all that fancy anti-shake stuff. I'm just a dude doing YouTube videos, so please forgive me.
I did wave goodbye. Take it easy. Right there. You can see whitetails running. Figured I'd cross them. Is that a whitetail? I can see him. I don't know if the camera can. See right center. Coming from the right. There's a tail. You're not too concerned about me. Still eating. Alright, you guys have a good day. Great and wonderful. Stay safe. It's not hunting season, but stay safe anyways. Alright, as I said, walking back, I got an idea because the weather's nasty. I'm going to make poutine again, but I'm going to do it different. So let's get the fries on there. Arrange those as best I can. Okay. And I'm going to get these going. Cook time, I'm going to start with 15 minutes. And then I'm going to try to flip them all. Alright? Alright. Poutine! Alright, we're getting close. We're within a minute. See? Beep, beep, beep. Alright. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to flip them. best I can. I'm going to give them a couple more minutes. Alright. Poutine! That's a Star Wars. I don't know what that little dude says. What do we call those little dudes? With the big truck that stole R2? I don't remember. Okay. Again, we're trying something a little bit different. So it might be weird. And we'll see if it works. Okay, we have a plate. I'll put the fries on the plate. Move it down. We have the gravy. I'm going to pour some gravy on these. It's going to be a process. I have cheese curds. Put some cheese curds on there. Okay, now more French fries. Okay, get this out of the way. More gravy. More cheese curd. Now, we're going to put this back on the new wave. Put the plate right there. Put this on top. Did it work? Yeah. Cook time. Going to give it 2 minutes. Alright, we'll come back. Alright, we're getting close. See? Alright, now we're going to take that off. We're going to add something very odd. I guess I am bastardizing poutine. That's chicken. That's a pound of ground chicken. Let's show you how I made that. Okay, and turn this on. Medium. Medium low. And we are gonna cook it up. Throw a little olive oil in there too. And I'm gonna mix in some poultry seasoning. Some Lowry's lemon pepper. Good on chicken. Just a little bit. This is strong. I got some Stubbs. Mr. Stubbs. And a little bit of garlic powder. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Okay, you get the idea. We'll come back. Alright, it's coming along. And I'm being watched. Right, Keek? You watching? Not something I typically like. A little closer to the food than I like, but everything's cleaned up here. Alright, this is almost done. Okay, wasn't that interesting? Alright, now we're going to put the chicken on. I probably have enough to make another batch. This is just something I thought up while I was hiking back because it was going to rain. Got some more gravy. I know it's beef gravy, but it's going to go on chicken anyways. Alright, alright. Put that back on. I'm going to give it 3 minutes. That is a mess, but it might taste good. To those of you who like poutine and think I'm doing something disgusting and terrible and not allowed, I do apologize. But trying to do something a little bit different. Sometimes my ideas work out and sometimes they are weird. But hey, I like all the stuff that's involved. It could work. Alright, there we go. Poutine with chicken. How hot's this plate? It's a little hot.
Here's another reason Coriel is great in the RV.
Glove. I'll put this back down. And we're going to eat this. Alright, flyover. French fries. Cheese. Cheese curds. Chicken. Interesting flyover, huh? Let's give it a go. Chicken. That chicken's good. Fries and cheese curd. That's good stuff. Alright, YouTubers. It's weird, but it works. Have one of those there great and wonderful days.